It's February 26th, 2013. We are in Wisconsin, southeast Wisconsin. Oh, yeah. We got a good snowstorm going on right now. It is coming down. Pretty whiteout effect. Probably can't see more than, 20 feet, 10, 20 feet. Usually from this view here, you can see down to the lake, to the horizon, to the east. But yeah, you can't see nothing. There goes the fire department. Everybody's getting ready for this snowstorm to come in. It's supposed to snow until tomorrow morning. Non-stop, so we'll probably get a good, say, 6 to 12 inches overnight. So until then, I'll keep you updated.